taking my positive perspective. With my perspective, I'm about to go ahead and let y'all in for a second. Cause this is how I be thinking. I don't need to escape the smoke or the drinking. Even though it's all gravy, whatever you do, whatever's good for you, whatever is true to the way that you live, gotta keep it positive, cause that's my perspective.
Hit him with the high notes, come through with my mind high on what I should do. Try to practice what I wrote, and what I write is what I preach. So I just come through doing this thing for free. On this microphone, this MC, the SC. We do this all the time with my head up to the sky, hoping that I can enhance my mind with every single next line I write. So yes, don't get it twisted, I try to live right, but I might get mixed up every time, get lifted beat.
This is your choice, you got to do it. You got some problems, Russia, no need to prove it. You gonna lose it if you get caught up with the wrong things like a hood rat, don't give a what. But that's not me, I gotta keep it shiny because my life is good and it's all understood. I didn't come from the hood, but we all got problems. I got my problems and put them headlock, I got them.
Yeah. Problems within the headlock. Try to do this thing like we got it on lock, but please believe. Sometimes we get loose, sometimes we get fly, sometimes we get by just trying to get off our own supply. But no, rule number one to the game, get your mind right, keep your head straight, always try to fly right. But if you don't, that's okay, because you can do what you got to pursue your dreams. And I know that you are a doctorate up in your own mind, so you just do it like it's fine, keep it moving to the groove. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna go ahead and pass it to my dog right here with the beatbox. Positive perspective, you know we got this on lock.
Come through real, don't know how to fake it. If you got problems, no need to waste it. Use it, cause it's fuel for the fire. Let them problems take you higher. No conspire to find more things that is wrong. I'ma go ahead and write a song. I get it out of me so someone else can relate. This how we do and I have no need to hate.
Yeah.
Positive perspective, keep positive. This is my positive perspective.
Always shining.
Well, I get happy to spread the sound with my voice. So put your worries down, cause it's time to rejoice.